Hello everybody, it's B from Team ProCycle. Today we are installing an aftermarket air filter on our TW200. Let's get to it. The only tool needed is a Phillips screwdriver. You will also need some kind of foam filter oil. I like to recommend a magnetic bolt pan to keep all your hardware together, and you can attach it straight to the frame, like this. The first step is to remove the two screws holding the left side panel on. Once those two screws are removed, you will pull on the top of the panel and pop it out of the grommet holding it in place. After the side panel has been removed, just set it aside. Next, you will want to remove the 4 screws holding the airbox panel on. Once you have those 4 screws removed, the air box panel should pop right off. The air filter will probably still be on this air box panel. You can remove the filter from the panel. Be sure to separate and set aside the cage piece. Next, you will want to oil your new filter. I like to use the bag that it comes in, pour some oil into the bag, and evenly distribute it throughout the filter. Once your new filter is thoroughly coated with air filter oil, place the cage in the airbox side panel and line up the filter and slide it into place. Next, you'll line up the airbox panel back to where it belongs and reinstall the 4 screws holding it on. You will want to wipe off any excess oil off the airbox panel. We put the uni sticker that came with the air filter on the panel. Now take the left side panel and snap the top back into the grommet on the tank and reinstall the 2 screws holding it on. Now you have successfully installed your new air filter. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and always remember, the back roads or no roads, an adventure begins here.